So guys, welcome back. We are making the second part of this recipe. Now we are okay. I'll be right back. Let me attend to somebody. So yes, we are making the vegetable sauce. Here I have white onion, no red onion. You understand?
Rice.
Okay.
Where else is sauce?
All right. Just tell me. So here I have
One more rice.
vegetable already washed.
One more rice.
Then I have sausage. I've already cut them. I have also thyme and curry. You must put enough curry on your fried rice. So here I have fried rice spice as well. So now we are heating up the oil. So I'll start by pouring the onion. We are adding thyme. Ginger or onion flavor, I don't know. Curry. Enough curry. Remember, I used some when I was toasting the rice as well. So more curry. Get that colorful fried rice. Let's put some baby. Let's put baby before now. So I am adding the hot dog. I will cover the pot and allow it to steam for some minutes before I can. So now we are adding the vegetables. I have to put salt. Remember, I use the stock. I use salt to steam the rice and also margarine stock. And then also salt and stock in the chicken broth. So guys, I'll be adding chili flakes, some chili flakes. Five, yeah. cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, right back. This is what is it called? Fried rice spice. So I am adding this 2 sachets here. So our sauce is ready. It's ready. Now I'm going to put them in the rice. I'll transfer everything here while the pot is on medium heat. So I'll put all of them together and start mixing them. No need to add another water. If you add another water, then it will spoil the fried rice. Remember, it's a fried rice, not rice. That's why I toasted the rice before. Now we'll start by mixing it. So guys, I'm done mixing the rice. So I'm gonna cover the pot now and let it steam a bit with the vapor, okay? Just for a few minutes, then the rice is ready. The next part, I'll be frying the chicken I will use to serve the rice. Yeah, if you are here for the very first time, please subscribe, like and share just to support our ministry. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next